Salmon Falls Family Health Care is a comprehensive family health care practice treating newborns, children, and adults of all ages. Our practice has been serving the Tri-City area of Dover, Somersworth, and Rochester for over 20 years. We offer top-quality health care provided by family doctors and nurse practitioners who care deeply about their community and the patients they serve. The recognition we value most comes from our patients, who consistently praise the attention and care they receive from our providers.
My name is Jeanette. I live in Rochester, and I have been coming to this practice since July of 1990. It's been a really happy time, you know. If you got to go to a doctor, which is unnerving sometimes, it's nice to go to one where you feel like part of a family. You feel like you're part of a group. It's not like you're just somebody coming in, a stranger. Of course, after 22 years, you better know a few people. But no, they're all great here. We love coming here. You know, you don't want to go to your doctors, but if you have to go, it's nice. It's a nice place to go.
Salmon Falls, we started in 1987, and both my partner at the time, Dr. Clary, and I were in Brooklyn. We had done our residency training together, and had young families at the time, and were thinking of leaving the metropolitan area and moving. And so we started looking for advertisements for opportunities, and one of them came up in New Hampshire, so we answered the ad.
Some of the services that we provide at Salmon Falls Family Health Care are your basic things like flu shots and sports physicals. We do Medicare annual wellness exams and Department of Transportation physicals for our patients. But we're also able to do some other things like at-home sleep studies, and we have an on-site CLIA compliant lab. So we're very well-rounded.
I really enjoy working with families very much, not only in the office, but also out in the community. And working at Salmon Falls has allowed me to go into the schools, participate in various committees, all looking at the health of children, the health of families. One particular project that I'm doing right now is the 5210 Healthy New Hampshire program. The 5210 Healthy New Hampshire program is an initiative that encourages families, parents and children to have a healthy lifestyle. I really enjoy the program because it's a very simple message for families to follow. 5 stands for eating 5 fruits and vegetables every day. 2 is limiting your screen time to 2 hours or less, and that includes TV and video time. 1 is exercising for at least 1 hour actively every day, and 0 is drinking 0 sugary drinks, including juice, which many people don't know has a lot of sugary calories in it, even if it says 100% juice. It's all about encouraging families to be healthy and participate in this healthy lifestyle. In the school, we've been able to team together with the school nurses in the 2 local elementary schools. Last year we did 5210, and the kids received prizes for participating, pencils, stickers, bracelets, everything, again, embracing having a healthy lifestyle. And at the end of the school year, we were able to have a big dance party in celebration of 5210.
Salmon Falls is housed within a new green facility at 7 Works Way in Somersworth. The walls and roof are sealed and insulated with new technology, and all windows and doors contain special glass that meets or exceeds ENERGY STAR certifications. A solar panel system was installed to provide a significant portion of the building's energy consumption, and during the building's idle hours, it feeds power back to the local utility grid. The entire facility was situated on the lot so as to gain the most exposure to the sun. The HVAC system was designed to provide the most efficient, controlled environment possible, and most lights in the facility work on motion sensors to reduce electricity use.
I have been at
Salmon Falls for over 10 years, and the best part about my job is the patient interaction. One day last week, there was a patient, a little boy that needed to get in. He was sick, and Mom was in a time crunch, needed to get in between 1 and 3. We essentially didn't have anything, so I went to that particular provider that he sees, and she said, sure, just bring him in at any time. The patient, between those 2 hours, the patient came in, got some medicine, and was feeling better. The relationship between Salmon Falls patients and Salmon Falls staff is excellent. We know them by name, they know us by name, and it just feels more family-oriented when they walk through the door if you know them by name.
Patients are able to call and get answers the day of their call. We do a great deal to open up space so that we can see people for same-day visits, which come up a lot of the time.
We have an awesome staff of front office workers. The medical assistants work really hard with their patients and their providers. The professional staff do an amazing job just treating their patients as fully as they can. They really do care about making a difference with their patients. We try to keep our office in a family feel. We really like to cater to the families coming in and just treat our patients how we would want to be treated.
One of the unique parts of Salmon Falls is that we're still a privately owned practice. I think that gives us a degree of independence that other practices may or may not have, and allowed us to grow and change in ways that have, I think, been probably more responsive to the needs of our patients. I think I've been very lucky to have this particular job.
Some of the conveniences we offer are late hours. We're open until 8 most nights. We do open at 8, so it's convenient. They can get in, get out, or come in late. Same-day appointments, acute appointments, the same day, next day, prescriptions when needed. If they need it on an emergency basis, we'll get it done for them.
The front desk people, I think, are the most important people in a medical practice. And everyone's friendly, and you can get a sense that people really enjoy working there.
I would highly recommend Salmon Falls Family Health Care because I've been with them 22 years, and that should speak for itself.